Hi, let's look at how we can solve this indices question over here. We are given that 10 to the power of 2x minus 1 is equals to 0.001. And in order to solve such questions, what we want is we want to bring this equation to a point where you have a to a power, okay, is equals to a to another power over here. Okay, and at this point of time, once you see that both the bases are the same, it also implies that both the powers are the same. Alright, so I want to have on both sides the same base. Okay, on the right hand side, we see that we have 0.001. So we must know that this is actually, or it can actually be written as 1 over 1000. And 1 over 1000 is 1 over 10 cubed. Okay, and at this point of time, the indices rule we can apply is a to the power of n is equals to 1 over a to the power of minus n. Okay, that means if I bring a term from the denominator to the numerator, the sign of the power will change. So in the denominator, if it is negative, when I bring it up, it will become positive. In this case, in the denominator is positive, so when I bring it up, it will become negative. Okay, so with that, we can write that 10 to the power of 2x minus 1 is actually equals to 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, and now you see that we have both the bases as the same, which automatically implies that both the powers are also the same. So I can say 2x minus 1 equals to minus 3. 2x is equals to minus 2, and therefore x is equals to minus 1. Okay, and that is my answer for this question. Hope that this video has given you an idea how we can approach such indices questions. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.